First day of harvest, October 16th. Starting off with some corn. Not going to be breaking any yields this year due to the D3 drought we went through, but we'll take what we can get. Got the boss man along. Got the wrong sweatshirt on. Where's your case sweatshirt? It's the wrong one. This field was planted April 19th. I think it was the first field we planted. It's running about, combine shows 17 moisture. Knocking off some end rows. Got 30 couple acres in this field. Got another field across the road over there, 50 couple over there to do. That field was planted a couple weeks later, so might be a little wetter. We'll see. But getting a start. Good to be back in the combine again, right, Monkey? Something different. Guy's literally gone over that yard about 50 times within the past half hour. What do you think, Wesley? Say, we got some cuckoo neighbors, don't we? Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. I bet they're voting for Kamala. Well, we ain't got the grain cart out yet. Just running, dumping in the truck for now. Getting a whopping 100 bushel to the acre. What do you think about that, Wesley?
Yeah!
Woohoo! Setting records, ain't we? Hey, where'd the cart driver go? The row of shame. Yeah, this is probably some of the worst corn I've ever cut. Usually hit over 200 on a decent year, but not this year. Didn't get the moisture. Didn't get enough rain for it. take what we get and get ready for next year. Yeah, getting that tractor. You got the right sweatshirt for that tractor. Had a couple rain showers come through. Nothing major, but enough to make it tough and wet. I tell you, whenever we bring the combine out, it starts raining, it seems like. Part of it. Keeps it interesting. Had the spreader plug up once. Wasn't bad, just went back there and unclogged it. Had a cob or so stuck in the fin.
No, up.
What?
Up, Dad. Up.
It's going back. Keep her straight. Turn a little bit. Auto steer. Just kidding, we ain't got auto steer on the combine. Wesley's favorite part.